Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Honda Civic. This car is suffering from poor consumption. So we found a product here which is called Wynn's supercharged oil treatment. So we're gonna do an oil treatment on this car. It reduces noise, wear and tear, and also it improves the economy of the car, and the oil consumption goes back to normal. You can buy from any auto part place for under £10. So the direction for this one is you just pour in from where the engine oil cap is. Just gonna open here. It looks like thick oil. I've used this product so many times. I highly recommend that you use this make, because it does what it says on the can. It says maintain oil pressure at high temperature, improves compression performance in worn engines, reduces consumption and exhaust smoke. It also quietens the noisy engine, reduces friction and wear, prolong engine life. Just gonna put the lid back on. Thank you very much for watching the video.